How should I introduce this team? And I thought, शेर की ज़ुबानी सुने शेर की कहानी ये रैप नहीं होता वहम को भगा दी. It's sound of perfect the way it sort of fits right now with the team who's in front of me. Did you feel it's going to be like this pulse of the nation for some time since the trailer has launched?
No, I don't imagine what's going to happen ever.
Yeah.
But no, I don't imagine like this will happen. I don't. But I knew when I saw it for the first time, when I experienced it, it did something to me. You know, and that's the feeling that I held on to, and that's the feeling I was hoping would resonate. So if it grabbed me like that, I mean, I'm not that unique that there are no other people like me. There are many people, and I just felt I wish I could take that, capture it, and transmit that feeling on. But it's been overwhelming.
Lot of lines being picked up for the most amazing memes. You gave like these employees and you gave like people hope that they could tell bosses these lines and stuff. The funniest meme I'll have to mention that involves Alia, where Alia's picture and they say, "Kisko pata tha Munni Safina thi." Did you see it?
Yeah. Actually, the similarity between Munni and Safina
You know the
is quite
reference.
crazy.
Munni from Bajrangi. No?
Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
So she looks similar.
Yeah, in the hijab.
In the
Correct.
hijab.
So everybody was like, oh my God, this is what she's become.
Oh, she's grown up.
Then like
to-
a rebel.
Oh.
Thanks, Ranveer.
Okay.
Slow clap.
I've seen some funnier ones. Please.
That was also quite funny.
It was.
Okay, which was your funnier one?
I think the Mumbai police using it
Yeah.
for
But
a road
Marjayegi.
safety campaign. That's lit.
But
That
that
was
was
great.
really funny and
Yeah.
also effective and, and right, you know. So that was really nice.
Yeah.
And honestly, when the memes started rolling, I was most happy. I said, because I know once the memes begin means that it's made an impact in some way.
Yeah.
So we were very happy. Keep them coming.
Yeah. And Ranveer, I feel that you're probably one of the few actors who takes promotions as seriously as the role. Most of the actors are like sulking most of the times during promotions, which I don't see.
I also sulk. It's not that I don't. Maybe I sulk a little less. But in my heart of hearts, I don't believe in this promotional enterprise. The new brigade will,
Excuse me.
But aren't you
will
also,
do
you know,
something
the old,
about
by
it,
the
put a
way?
cap
Yeah,
on
why are you
promotions
giving
because
us
they become
anything?
rather extensive and very exhausting for the actors. But I feel like it becomes a little difficult when you know you've got a product that is not perhaps very strong and then you have to go out and sell that. You know, it's like you go to a television show and they play the song from your film that really didn't do well and then you
That's the most honest answer I've heard.
yeah,
by the
and
way.
then you're just reminding people, hey, that's that actor from that film whose trailer I didn't really like, you know. But on the flip side, when you believe in your film, then it comes out organically. You know,
Yeah.
that enthusiasm that you speak of,
Yeah.
it comes out organically. You want to go out there and tell everyone and invite everyone to watch the film because you're so happy with it, you're very proud of it, you want people to see it. So then it comes naturally.
Fair enough. So I'll have to ask you this. I think the initial speculations of is it 8th Mile, is it Eminem, have sort of subdued since every day you all are giving these little teasers and promos, right? What was going through your mind when you had speculations like that going
You know,
on?
this has happened to me once before when the trailer dropped of Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. The first thing that came was like, it's hangover, and it really upset me. At that time, I was really
You're like, why
upset.
hangover?
You know, and everybody was like, calm down.
Compare bhi to kiya tha.
Yeah, I was really upset. No, I loved Hangover. I was upset at the fact that they thought I would take Hangover and remake it. And no, I mean, I would remake Hangover, but I'd say I've remade Hangover.
Ma'am,
I
ek
wouldn't
actor
pretend
to
I
mil
wouldn't. Yeah. So they.
I'm on.
You're on,
Casting
na?
crew.
Yes, call Ranveer.
I'll also become. You can make a girl.
She's like, call Ranveer. Who will be the third one?
Me.
Chalo, fair.
You make one of
But
them
Zoya is the responsible. She'll give women also very important roles. Yeah. Fair.
Yeah. So this time around, I am not taking it so seriously because I know the film will come. Also, I mean, it's the biggest reference in the sense of like that's what you've
Exactly.
seen, and
Exactly.
I mean they're picking up on tropes like the rap battle. They're picking up on tropes like he's not privileged, and it's a rapper's journey. So I totally understand where they're coming from, and I'm just waiting for them to see the film. That's it.
Would you want to add something to
Wow.
it?
What a mature approach.
I love it, but this time you're not upset by it.
No, I mean, obviously, in the sense, like, no, not like the last time I was really disturbed. But this time I'm like, I know it's not 8 Mile, so,
Yeah.
Nobody can compare themselves to Eminem. Nobody in this world can.
Eminem,
He's
yeah.
a once
Eminem
in
is
a
Eminem.
lifetime artist.
Yeah.
I loved 8 Mile,
Me
but
too.
this
Yeah,
is a
me
completely
too.
original story based on, and it's what I love about it is how do I say this? How permeating the flavor of the city is
Yeah.
in the world of the film. That's very special to me because it's where I was born and raised.
Yeah.
So for me, it's extra special. Like when I see the scenes, I go into dub and I see the scenes. What really stands out to me is the authenticity of the language, of the characters, of like the spaces.
Yeah.
It's just bursting with that. It really talks to a very a deep part of my soul.
I'm going to show you some fun questions, pictures, and you'll have to. The other two people can make a caption too. This is Ranveer's. Ranveer.
We have to make a caption?
He can tell us the backstory of it or what was going in his mind at the time. Two of you can give captions if you want to. Ranveer, this is.
I was feeling like a cheetah on the prowl. Just express myself unfiltered.
He's channeling Shilpa.
I said the same thing.
Yeah,
Chura
we
ke
said-
dil mera,
He's
no?
like a cat, yeah.
This is for Alia because Alia put it up.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this
It's a
picture.
sweet
Yeah, tell us the
moment.
story behind
Such a
it.
sweet moment.
Nothing. We were just sitting, and I looked at the moment, and there was Shah Rukh, Ranveer, and my father, three of my most favorite people, sitting and having a conversation and talking so passionately. And I was like, wow, this is a moment, and it's a rare moment. I better capture it. And
I wasn't
captured
doing
it.
any of the talking.
But
I
just
was
listening.
doing very passionate listening.
Listening. Yeah. We were all-
because you have two such great minds, and they were just sparring, and they were talking about like some really amazing stuff.
Yeah,
I mean,
very
I think
inspiring.
I gained a lot of just sheer knowledge from just being witness to that conversation.
Yeah.
This for Zoya. I think it's a lovely captured this moment, and it's obviously it's a poster as well.
I have already captioned this Apna Time.
Yeah, you have.
I'll give you a caption.
Yeah, give it.
It's AWWLAY. Can you pronounce that? It's Ole. Yeah, that's the caption.
AWLAY.
AWWLAY.
Do you?
Putting it together.
Ole.
Like what is
Does
that?
I think Ole.
Ole. Ole.
Ole. This is for Alia.
Yo, what is that?
Me and my friends.
Yeah, it's one of those rare moments I must say while I was doing this. Alia has the funniest expressions in a lot of pictures.
1 second. This is let me tell you,
cute.
a fake candid picture.
What?
Like, oh, 1, 2, 3, click. And you click it. Yeah.
Cha. Otherwise, candidates usually. I thought y'all get good candidates.
I like that.
Terrible candidates.
I'm very good at fake candid pictures.
I like that. You gotta train me.
Yeah.
I would
Your
love to do
pictures
some
are really
fake candid. I would love to do some
We'll
fake
do
candid
some
shit.
Just like a 1, 2, 3. Like, okay, now look at
Okay,
me.
let's do it, ma'am. Ma'am,
Come on.
excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me.
He's doing a fake candid
Come,
picture
come.
here.
Okay, so now basically we have to all be like now
Okay.
either because I'm in the center, so
Train
you all
us.
like look towards me and laugh,
Ha.
so that we all be like kind of proportionate and like I've said something really funny.
Okay,
So
okay.
1, 2, 3, go like.
Oh no, wait, she is singing. So,
I
wait,
wasn't
she
ready
has
to
to.
this.
Who
you
does
click,
the
But you are
counting?
making me
I'm
laugh.
saying 1, 2, 3, go like.
You can.
Sorry.
Zoya, by the way, Zoya
The
gave up.
clicker has to be
Yeah,
fast.
she gave
So
up.
go 1, 2, 3, go.
Zoya's like, I'm not doing this.
No, but I'm finding it really funny actually. It's not canon.
So but the clicker has to be also wise and be like yeah, click, click and not stop.
Was I alright? What did I do? Okay.
This is really cute, Zoya.
Yeah.
Tell us about
Ole.
this. So
This
cute.
is,
That's
I
Farhan.
think I'm 8 or 9.
Oh, you look so
Yeah,
cute.
and Farhan is like 6 or 7. Like, yeah, that's my mommy.
That's an adorable picture.
Yeah.
Farhan looks like his mommy.
I think one of my favorite pictures while I was
Oh,
doing the
I
behind the
love
scenes.
this picture.
Tell us
This
about
was
this.
shot by our DP, Jay Oza. He was on a crane,
I love
and we were sitting, and he was like on a crane over a drain, and the two of us were sitting on the thing. And this was day 10 of shoot.
Okay.
This was our 10th day of shoot.
Don't go by our pleasant expressions. I wish you could just get the
Yeah.
real you know that
Emotion.
fourth sense,
Yeah.
the how do you say, olfactory?
Olfactory sense.
yeah.
Yeah. Well done.
Yeah,
I love this picture. It's so
imagine a DOP sitting on top of a crane under which is like this massive nala.
Yeah.
It was
And we are on the edge of the Nala.
it was a fun day. It was an emotionally turbulent day for Zoya.
Why? He's,
And yeah.
why was it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah,
It was.
yeah.
That is a very special picture for me because it captures the dard behind the smile.
This. Ranveer,
Yeah.
tell me.
Yeah.
nothing. This is
Alia's
Ranveer
expression
being
says it all.
Ranveer.
How do you get that?
One second. It was we were in a private plane, so we decided to take pictures because we like to take.
Alia's doing a perfect portrait. There's a madness. Is
What about
captured
Alia
in-
Bhatt, who started using private planes like Ubers?
Just keep quiet.
Right? I'm just gonna hop over to Kalank and back in like a day. What is it with this like private jet situation, buddy?
We will talk
This
about
life
it in
of
private.
excess that you're leading.
We will talk about it in
This
private.
picture also, she looks like she
Talk
travels.
about it
She looks very
in
comfortable
private,
in
no
this
pun
scenario.
intended.
No, this was one
She
of our
looks
first
very-
few endeavors together, and we decided to take, it was a 2-hour flight. We decided to take lots of pictures, and Ranveer decided to climb on top of my head, and we got
Like
this
Vikram and Betal.
momentous.
I'm the Betal to her
picture.
Vikram.
Yeah.
This is Alia's, I think Alia, this picture. Do you remember this picture on the set?
I remember this picture, and I have to say that people have overreacted to my face.
Really?
Because one
Yeah.
needs to understand
But
that.
this photo, you look normal when you came out. See, there are 2 pictures I put here.
But
I don't
this
think
is
anybody
my
saw.
face, and everyone is thinking that, oh, she's sad, she's upset, he's something, and I'm like, guys, this is my face. When I'm happy, also, that's my face. Like, it's my resting face.
Ranveer,
What about it?
the crowd dive.
What about it?
How was that feeling, sort of being...
It's lovely. I love connecting with people. I love to like give all that love that they show back to them. It's fun.
Yeah, it was. And it's
It
crazy.
was
Now
a
there's
good
this-
time. Lakme Fashion Week. Impromptu concert that happened.
Yeah, that was
Yeah, you turned like the ramp into something else. People were like all up the seats.
Yeah, but
like
I've
all the-
always seen all rock stars kind of jump to their fans.
Yeah.
And like now Ranveer is in rock star mode because
Yeah.
he's like,
Ranveer,
he's a
Ranveer
gully
is in
boy.
rock star mode.
Yeah, he is. So it's banta hai.
Yeah. This is the cutest picture I've seen. You come on and you're like sort of, we need more Ranveers in everybody's life who sort of...
What is it? Can you explain what you're doing here? I also don't
He
know.
was-
Just a little white
Yeah, and he
speck
went
on
and
her
he's like
jeans, so I
trying
just
to
brushed
rub it off and all of that.
Nice
But-
place. That's a nice place. That was
Yeah.
the first time I've been there. Very, very nice place.
Yeah.
Madam,
And
you're a
this-
founding member?
Of
Yeah,
Soho.
yeah,
Me also.
You are the first person on that list. Let's just establish.
This is for both Ranveer and Alia, before I move on to the next question.
What is this?
This is a picture.
Everybody
outside
is
the plane.
posing except for Alia who's looking at Ranveer.
I was asking Ranveer if he's smiling or giving a cool look. So, but then they took the picture. I said, smiling or cool?
Na, 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 na,
people are only taking my
Alia,
pictures in
you
this
are not
awkward
seeing
moment.
it. There's a song happening here for you.
Ishq wala
Yeah, you are not seeing. I'm quite trying to ignore it very Taylor
Boom.
Swiftly.
I'm going to ask you how you celebrate Valentine's Day, but I definitely want to know what's been one of your most special sort of moments.
One thing that guys
Yeah.
all don't have to only see the film on 14th of Feb.
You
If
can see it always.
are busy, it's
can see
fine.
it on
Please go on the other
15th of
days
Feb.
as well.
You can see it on
14th of Feb is the
16th
beginning of
Feb.
is the journey there it
As
starts.
Govinda ji would say in Had Kar Diya Aapne, for
Any-
me every day is Valentine's Day.
Exactly.
Every hour is Valentine hour, every minute is Valentine minute, every second is Valentine second.
Wow.
No, I also feel like sometimes you put in a spot and suddenly you're like you have to give it like a most romantic or most happy anecdote or most special
Becomes difficult.
moment. It becomes tough. But it's good to say that since Valentine's Day is coming, I think one thing we should like say to everybody that it's not like one day should be celebrated when you're in love.
Yeah.
Every day should be a reminder that you should be grateful for those in your life and not just your partner, even your
Exactly.
family and your friends.
Yeah.
And anyone can be your Valentine.
Sure.
And I think this Valentine I have Zoya and Ranveer and the whole crew of Gully Boy as my Valentine.
मेरे जैसा शाना लाला तुझे ना मिल पाएगा.
मस्ती है खलबली चलता में जबी जबी. What about Zoya? What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear this
Maybe.
line?
I'm going to stick with the theme of this thing and say Ranveer.
Ranveer. Clearly,
Gee,
whatever we're
thanks.
going with, the entire sort of
Yeah.
thing is going to be Ranveer.
पर तू बोल,
But
ऐसा नहीं है क्या?
ऐसा है.
खली वाली मस्ती है ना जब भी तेरा भाई
That's
बचता है.
That's true. That's
It's true, it's very
It's
happy.
true,
मस्ती
it's
है खली
Ranveer.
वाली चलता
Technically
में
all the
जबी
lines
जबी.
are- And
Getting money सब कुछ नवी नवी. छोकरी साथ तेरे झड़ती मुझे घड़ी घड़ी करते कुछ नहीं बात सिर्फ बड़ी बड़ी. Big
To end-
fan, Divine, big fan.
all the very best.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.